Hello, everyone. At MSys, we've always valued diversity and inclusion. We have improved on our gender diversity year on year and are very proud of that. In fact, we have also planned for a women's drive in the coming weeks, and we would like all the aspiring women engineers out there to participate in that and be part of the MSys family. Thank you and welcoming you to the MSys family. Bye bye.
Women are the driving force in all spheres of life. They are so much full of creativity, idea, and intelligence. That's why in my own marketing team, I have made it a point that more than 50-60% of the workforce are women. Now, this movement we want to scale up to MSys level. Come join MSys Women Recruitment Drive and make it a roaring success. Because today we are a great place to work. But with this drive and with women, lots of women joining us, we want to make it the greatest place to work.
This is Sirisha, Director of HR and People Success Partner at MSys. I'm excited to announce about the biggest women's hiring drive happening on this 21st January. We believe in Women Shakti, which is the powerful force in the universe who can transform the challenges into opportunities. And today we are here to welcome you all for this drive. Let's join hands and create a brighter future together. Why wait? Let's meet soon.